Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're really doing well. So today I'm going to be a makeup tutorial. Why are you মাঝখানে আটকাচ্ছ মানে?
Today I'm gonna be a makeup tutorial.
So anyways, the thing is, today I'm gonna be doing a traditional makeup tutorial with a twist. The twist is that my guy is gonna do a voiceover.
Okay, what the fuck was that? First of all, yeah. So, yeah, anyways, yeah. So today I will be doing the voiceover
Yes.
for a Neha BBX
Yes.
video. I
Yes.
feel very proud and honored for that. Yeah. Enough of yes, and you know what? Let's start. So okay, so let's see. The first thing she's applying on her face is some kind of a gel,
That's a primer.
primer that you put in the wall.
No, it's similar to that, but
It's
yeah.
similar to that. Okay, yeah. So your face is a wall. That means.
it
Okay, no, never mind. So yeah, it's a primer. I think it's to
prepares
set.
it prepares the face and it stops the pores.
I thought I was supposed to.
Okay,
the
I
voice.
do it.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, I think it supports the makeup. That's what she said, and yeah, she's applying it. She's rubbing it on the face. Do I need to do that commentary? I don't think so. But yeah, like there's a natural glow. The cheeks are
Yeah.
shining and all that stuff. I don't do that here. It's very okay. So the next thing, it's a concealer. I'm pretty sure it's a concealer.
Yes, boy.
Yes, it's a
Concealer.
concealer, and I think it gives a base to the makeup, gives a
No.
skin tone, or no?
I mean, it actually conceals the pigmentation of your skin.
Oh, so that's why it's called concealer, because it conceals.
Conceals, yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, so yeah, it conceals, and that's a sponge you can get on Amazon.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why I said this. Oh yeah, it's a sponge which you use to rub things. I mean,
Not
makeup. Makeup. Obviously, makeup, not anything else. And yeah, you're looking like that. Oh no, never mind. Cultural appropriation. Yeah. So So
You know
yeah,
what I
yeah.
did at the first? I think you didn't notice. I actually put water on the sponge to make it a bit damp, so that it's easy to apply.
Make it a bit dumb.
Dump.
Oh, sorry, dumb. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, boys do that all the time.
Yeah.
And now, it's a brush thing with paint.
It's not paint. It's foundation.
Oh yeah, foundation. Sorry.
That's why I'm here to help you out.
Yeah, it's a face paint foundation.
I mean,
Yeah, I'm right. I'm right. Yeah. So it's a face paint foundation.
don't forget your neck, guys.
Yeah. What does that mean? Okay, never mind. We will not go into detail what she meant. Yeah, but see, it's like a new BBX. That doesn't mean I don't like the old one or the new one. It's just that it's a new thing. Okay. She's glowing like she's supposed to. Damn, look at this smile. Okay, anyways, I will not get carried away just because it's my girl's video, but yeah, I will try my best to be professional at the
Okay,
workplace.
this is the powder.
Okay, this is a powder.
Yeah.
Why you guys put powder? Powder is something that boys put because they don't
No,
use makeup.
it's a compact powder. It helps to bake your face.
Bake.
Yeah, kind of. যাতে
I
কোনো
mean-
cracks না আসে, because you have put the concealer.
I mean, you
Yeah.
guys. Yeah, black don't crack. I don't know. why
Yeah,
I
so
said it.
hair was
What the
on
fuck-
my
what the fuck was that?
hair was on my eyes.
Yeah.
So yeah,
It's the eyeshadow palette. I know.
eyeshadow palette, but I'm using that shade as my.
What the fuck
As-
was that sound? Okay, anyways. So yeah, eyeshadow palette. Yeah. So I think it was a pink color as a blush.
Yes.
And that is a brush that we use for blushing. Yeah, not that blushing, guys. Blush means to put a red thing on your cheek so it looks more cheekier.
Plum and cheekier, yeah.
cheekier.
It's pink.
Also in some like spots like nose, cheeks, and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So I don't do
So,
makeup, but I know all my
this is-
stuff. Okay,
this
and
is
what
a-
is this? This is water.
This is a setting spray. It
Oh,
sets
I-
my base actually.
I thought it was a perfume.
No.
Okay.
Do you see the glow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's a base, right? Now,
Yeah.
now we will
Now
go to
we'll move to the
more
eye
technical
makeup.
stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
more
eye
technical
makeup. Oh, okay. After setting, this is the highlight. Okay, like
Are you crying?
no, I'm not crying. I'm
Okay.
just very much overwhelmed because it's very shiny, and I love highlighters which are very
you can
pigmented.
get that glow in iPhone. Like the front camera has that inbuilt highlighter in your cheeks.
Okay, never mind. Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, it looks like I'm okay with this. Like this is done for me. So I don't know what else you need to do. Okay.
Eye makeup because it's traditional. So
Okay. Yeah, you just rub that thing just a little, and then Rub it on your eyes.
This is not the eye, that's the outer corner to form a crease because I don't have hooded eyes. I have to.
Hooded eyes.
Hooded eyes means
That's black.
no, the eyes which যেগুলো একটুখানি ভেতর দিকে ঢুকে থাকে যে চোখগুলো, which has already
Okay, we
okay.
get it. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, this is just like creating a
crease.
illusion that you
Yeah,
have.
exactly.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Oh, he's smart.
Yeah, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. No,
So it's a bit deeper shade.
okay, so first you go with lighter shade and then you put deeper shade, right?
Yeah.
To create that
Shadowy effect.
gradient effect. Yeah, shadow
Yes.
effect. Yeah, okay. Okay, so now we are doing that. Okay, so does it take this much when you first do it, or does it like slowly decrease? The time slowly decrease of you doing the eye makeup, because I think it looks very easy just to rub things on your eyes, but I think
Yeah.
there's a technique behind it.
Yeah,
Obviously,
exactly.
which you have to master.
Yeah, exactly. You can see
In
I'm holding
Himalayas.
how I am holding the brush and how I'm moving it. So yeah.
Yeah, you surely know how to move that finger. Okay, never mind. Okay, so yeah, this is a glitter. This is
Yeah.
a glitter. Yeah, I know. This is what when you do this to an extent, you end up being a GTA 5 stripper. I don't know why I said this. It's just
Why?
it's just a good reference, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, but it looks good on you. I don't know. It looks good on you. Yeah. So when is that wing part? Is that eyeliner?
I'm not gonna do that today.
Oh, okay. Disappointed
Yeah.
as a Neha BBX spiritual
No,
follower.
because no, wing eyeliner is not for every look. You haven't seen the whole look, so you cannot judge. So what's this? What
This
am
is
I putting?
mascara,
Okay.
right? This just uplifts like
Yeah.
woman uplifts your
Eyelashes.
and gives it. You can also attach eyelashes. I don't know.
Yeah, but I like to keep it a bit more natural.
Yeah, okay. But yeah.
No, guys, I don't know how to put them on.
Okay. But yeah, it looks good. It looks good. Only also the lower part of the eye, right?
Yeah, exactly. So this is just summing it up.
Yeah. So sorry for that. So sum it up. I think the look is almost over.
Yes.
Yeah. We are yet to get
Look at
to
the
see a full
eyes.
review. Yeah. Bro, the eyes are always good. Like anyone who follows you on Instagram should know that your eye game is like very strong.
Yeah.
Eye and neck game. I don't want to say what is what, but you
Okay,
guys get it.
this is the kajal which I'm putting.
Oh, kajal.
Yeah.
This much book, right?
Yes.
So when you cry, you don't like people don't see.
Shut the fuck up. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me shut the fuck up when I have to talk. That's all. Okay, I never mind.
Okay.
So yeah, I think the look is almost done, and yeah, I mean you look pretty as usual. There's
Yeah.
nothing more to add to it.
Yes.
Yeah, and yeah, the lips, obviously, the most important part.
Yeah. I mean, they know.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously.
So yeah, it's over.
Okay,
and
so
you
the
look
last
smoking
part
gorgeous.
is.
And last we will we will put a earring, right?
Yeah, obviously. Traditional without earrings is.
Yeah, straight from the Konark building of. Yeah, this looks like Konark. Who the fuck? Yeah. And okay, and now we will end it with a compilation on my request
Yes.
of AP Dylan. Let's go.
ਪਸੰਦ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੇਠਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਲਾ ਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੇਖੇਗੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਯਾਦ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਊਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੂਗਾ ਦਿਲ ਨਾਲ ਲਾਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੂੰ ਲਾਉਣ ਵਾਲੀਏ ਦਿਲ ਤੇਰਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਲੁੱਟੂਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੂਗਾ